Hello, today we are discussing buckle guards, a small, inexpensive device used to reduce removal of stretcher straps by agitated or altered patients. Introducing the buckle guard, like I said, a small, very inexpensive device. It has a black clamshell base and a child-proof medication cap on top. Let's discuss how to properly apply the buckle guard. Place the receiving or female side of the seat belt into the buckle guard. Then insert the male end into the buckle inside of the buckle guard, and the buckle should secure easily. As you can see, it's very difficult to get your fingers inside to release the buckle with the button. To open the buckle guard, press down and turn the medication cap to expose the button underneath to release the seat belt. Press the button and the seatbelt is undone. They're coming soon to a stretcher near you. Please be on the lookout for these buckle guards to help you safely transport your patients from point A to point B without any unnecessary loosening or undoing of the safety belts. Thank you.